In the present, IT world, the significance of being connected, involved and having an online presence, is the bread and butter for online businesses. Digital marketing includes distinguishing, researching, executing and implementing strategies for the necessities of a customer. Achievement in this field entirely relies upon the usual methodology a business can apply, and how productively it approaches digital marketing strategy. The success or failure of these techniques, and additionally, campaigns can make or break a business. Feigning achievement in the digital marketplace is troublesome because an essential piece of any online business with excellent digital marketing setup truly is reliant on appropriately actualizing and investigating the accompanying. Using online social media channels adequately in blend with SEO. Good search engine optimization (SEO) penetration. Using appropriate link building strategies. Using automation and analytics software to profit the business. Efficiently applying any email and paid marketing techniques. With the entirety of the above factors, digital marketing should run smoothly for an online business. Without these elements set up, an online business's essence won't be successful or significant. Digital marketing particularly has any effect on a business's return on investment (ROI). Profitability is much leaner than what we know as conventional marketing, television advertisements, for instance. Albeit traditional marketing still has a great deal of traction, as time goes, it will most likely fail to measure up to what newer forms of advertising and marketing bring to the table. Likewise, a pivotal part of digital marketing success is staying aware of security, which means introducing a virtual private network. A VPN is vital for ensuring essential and valuable data. Utilizing a VPN for digital marketing implies that the internet connection goes through a passage, which gives the accompanying general advantages. An encoded connection impervious to malignant attacks. The ability to associate with a scope of international servers. An anonymous link which can't point. Advantages of a VPN for digital marketing in depth. The following is a rundown of some particular focal points that utilizing a VPN technology brings to a digital marketer. Investigating these topics should be on any to-do checklist for digital marketers. Search engine optimization advantages. A decent community-validated VPN technology will assist with your local search engine optimization (SEO). By interfacing with a VPN and an external server where your target market is, a marketer can peruse like a local and top-to-bottom understanding of client needs and focuses. It will likewise help access sites in full form and not bare bones so that the marketer gets a full, exact picture. Paid search advertising. Since paid search advertising is towards potential clients who look for services or products, a VPN technology will help an advanced digital marketer understand what the clients are searching for. With this, advanced digital marketers can place ads more successfully. Monitoring contenders. Tracking and following contenders and backlink advantages are offered to the advanced digital marketer when utilizing a VPN. Anonymity and safety while searching for data and using software tools for competition analysis are best done under a VPN cover. Online social media marketing. When connected to an international target market secretly using a VPN, it is conceivable to get to social media like a local. By doing this, a digital marketer can download local content and access media that might be in any case geo-blocked or censored in that specific location. Advanced digital marketing security. A VPN for digital marketing will help you keep the entirety of the information referenced above secure, without the peril of theft of data. Interfacing with a VPN will likewise enable you to see customers' preferences and characters, ads, promotion data, and patterns without being a particularly obvious target for malware and viruses, due to the encryption strategies. Moreover, a VPN technology will forestall the digital marketer's ISP from selling their information, just as discouraging spam advertisers from hooking on. Quick tips to pick a VPN provider. Presently you know the different advantages of VPN. Here are a few tips for picking a trustworthy and reputable VPN provider. Check with the logging strategy of your potential VPN suppliers. It will help you understand what sort of data your provider will store your internet activities. Know the degree of encryption they offer. It will help you see out whether or not it will serve your need. Some providers provide 256-bit encryption while others offer 128-bit. Get to know the speed you will receive, and ensure it's sufficient for your necessities. Find out the number servers they have, so standard support doesn't mean you won't have access. The takeaway. Notwithstanding being beneficial for regular clients who need to download things, which many people think of, VPNs help a broad scope of organizations and errands. From improving security to helping in overall worldwide research for online marketing, there's a great deal that VPNs can offer. In any case, it is essential to recall that not all VPNs are equivalent. In this way, you should do adequate research before you finalize a VPN provider. Go for the one that meets your necessities and accommodates your budget impeccably.